As I sit here in this quiet moment, surrounded by the gentle hum of nature outside my window, I'm met with a profound sense of gratitude. It's as if the world is conspiring to remind me that every breath I take is a gift. I am enough. These three words echo through my mind like a soothing melody, calming the turbulent waters of self-doubt. In this peaceful pause, I allow myself to let go of yesterday's worries and tomorrow's anxieties. Today is all that exists, and it's a treasure trove of possibility. The sun casts its warm rays upon my skin, infusing me with life and vitality. With each passing moment, I feel the weight of my doubts slowly lifting, like autumn leaves floating gently to the ground. I am grounded, centered in this present moment where all is well. As I gaze out at the vibrant colors of nature, I'm struck by the beauty that surrounds me, the majesty of towering trees, the serenity of a tranquil lake, and the simple joy of a blooming flower. This tapestry of life reminds me to appreciate every strand, no matter how fragile or complex. I trust the timing of my life. In this moment of quiet reflection, I release all attachment to outcomes and instead focus on the journey itself. The universe has a way of unfolding as it should, and I have faith that everything is working in harmony for my highest good. As I breathe in deeply, the scent of freshly cut grass wafts through the air, carrying with it the whispers of wisdom. Let go, let be, and let joy fill your heart. I am healing not just my physical body but also my emotional and spiritual selves. In this space, I invite the gentle breeze to carry away any remnants of fear or uncertainty, making room for gratitude and joy to take up residence in their place. Today is a fresh canvas, waiting to be painted with the vibrant colors of love, hope, and positivity. As the clock strikes the hour, marking the beginning of this new day, I commit to embracing it with an open heart and mind. And so, I choose to focus on the beauty that surrounds me, letting gratitude and joy be my guiding principles as I navigate this journey called life.